see that little dot right there? Look at how far up the wall it is. You think that's a dot right there? Nope. That actually is probably, you see the dot? You see where the dot is? That is a baby lizard. A nice baby lizard. 6 feet up the wall. Probably too terrified to come down. You know how lizards go along the wall. Yeah, you see how far that thing up? That thing went up? Because usually they go along the wall, right? There it is, all the way up the wall. That high. It's a little baby, newborn. That's a lizard for you. Their territory. I like this. It's a lizard. And it went all the way up the wall, just like that. Wow. I am.